Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Yeah, my fans, my people. I still come again. This is Tom Boy on the line. Keep on watching my TV, Ekene TV. Subscribe and share and comment. Yeah, I'm here to give you an update on a business concern. As you all know, like our Igbo people do say, and I know favors on money. You put here, you invest here, you invest here. All are investment and hustling. I don't depend on one place or on one particular something. Someone come to my channel TV after watching some of my content. He commented that I want to blow by all means. Maybe it seems to him that only making a content on YouTube or YouTube paying somebody is only means of person blowing. No, I don't believe on that. I don't depend on that. I have myself feast in many things and in many businesses. Wherever anyone, I'm a transporter, I'm a businessman, I am a poultry, I train fowl, I sell, I am a shop owner, I have some goods in my shop, some drinks I sell, many things I do. So I don't depend on one place. Whichever one my time permit me to do, I do. So whenever you want to comment on my TV channel, you comment a reasonable comment. Here is my day old fowl. I just brought it today. You can see they are still very day old. All the way from Kaduna, this one comes from. I went to bring it this morning. So they are just a day old right now. Before you know it, when I train them 6 weeks, 7 weeks, I will call buyers to come and buy it, or I distribute it to the hotels and other places. That is just how I do. This is my second part of business, or first part of business. This is also a part of my business I do. I don't depend on one place. So whenever you want to comment on my TV channel, you comment reasonable comments. It's not by you to pay somebody or whatever that someone wants to make it. No, you cannot put yourself in one place. You attach yourself, You come from here, you come from here. This one is a little business I'm doing. Not even little. God is helping me with my wife. We're just trying our best. There is my day old chicken. I just bought it today. They will be here from now to Easter. This is for Easter celebration. I will sell it. It's like 3 cartons here, and in each carton you get 51. I bought 3 cartons, which is 150. I just it. As you can see, I just put them in a small house here. Coming to the second side of it. Here is the big ones. I sold the one I sold on the S-Mass to put these ones. 1 week to Christmas, I put these ones. They are now like 4 weeks old. Before the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks, so they will be big enough for me to sell them. I'll call the buyer or I distribute it to the hotels. That is business I don't depend on one place. I invest on this, I invest on that. So when you want to comment a reasonable comment. I'm not somebody that only put myself in one place, because I know favors on money. Tom Boy, watch my video and comment on my TV channel. And also watch me live on Facebook also. Now Tom Boy is talking to you. This is my business I do. On the other side, I have my shop, which I have goods in it, like drinks, hot drinks, beer, can one, bottle ones, provisions, many things are in the shop. So I invest my money to earn a profit. So that is what I do for a living. I'm a transporter. Sometimes I use my car to go to road work. I do this, I do that. Whatever is YouTube, even though they start paying me or they are paying whatever they like, they should pay me. No money is more better than the one of business. Even for me to make a content on the YouTube is also a hustle, is also my business. So when you want to comment reasonable comments. If it's not like that, all these big men, pastors, these big native doctors, Google to go that is always posting themselves on Facebook or whatever, they will not be doing that. Why? Because YouTube are paying them. They are earning money. That's why they did it. So when you see someone trying to motivate himself into that, you don't have to criticize him by your word of speech or your word of comments. Only what you need to do is to make a word that will speak, make the person to be energized to continue to do whatever he's doing. Maybe when person don't go now and still, you will say the person is an Arab or this. But when you see someone is hustling, you will still make a comment that will be trying to condemn the person. No, let's be reasonable for once. I engage myself into many things. I don't put my shoes in one place. No, that's just how it is. Thank you very much. Watch my YouTube channel and comment. Ekene TV, go there and subscribe and comment and watch it.